And so begins the first Hobo Olympics! Woo!
The burning of the podium.
Here we go.
Welcome everybody to the first annual Hobo Olympic Games. We've got 4 teams, 4 events that will be played tournament style. Each team will be made out of 2 hobos. We've got first place for 3 points, second place for 2 points, third place for 1 point, and fourth place gets 0 points. Here's our scoreboard coming up right on the screen right now, and we'll talk about the event order. So on day 1 we've got knife throwing, and on day 2 we'll be playing Cornhole. On day 3 we've got rock can, and then the final day of events will be hobo bowling, and the total score will determine who will be this year's Hobo Olympic champion. Let's see how it spans out here with the first event, knife throwing.
Okay, you want to? Okay. No, it's not. Oops.
No, it's yeah.
This motherfucker. You miss it. Yeah.
The score is the same as it was 20 minutes ago. We haven't made a fucking point. Nobody's getting anything in the board, and that's what makes it Hobo.
Hobo Olympics! Hobo Olympics! Hobo Olympics! Hobo Olympics! Hey!
So it looks like knife throwing did not go according to plan for the rest of those hobos. They may have to return back to that one to figure out what the final scores will be. But we'll be moving on to Cornhole on the next day of our events here. We'll see how those hobos manage to figure this one out.
Hobo Olympics! Come on, Billy!
Oh, damn! please roll it.
Yeah!
3 points.
Oh, thank you, Alan!
Well, you guys need something.
In 4th place, we have Travis and Suzanne. They sucked a big one on this. In 3rd place, we have Katie and Adam.
Hey!
Medal. In 2nd place, we have Jessie and Billy.
Yay!
And the winners of day 2 of the Cornhole Hobo Olympics.
Van! It's a Hobo Olympics!
Well, that's more like it, folks. It looks like we've actually got some scores coming in for Cornhole on our day 2 of the official Hobo Olympic Games. We'll be moving on now to Rockcan for our 3rd day of competition. We'll see how that one plays out for everybody. We're not sure exactly what the rules are, so let's find out.
Word. Whoa! Oh, is that where it's at?
Okay, we're not exactly sure what happened there. Sorry about that, folks, but it does look like we've got some official scores coming in for Rockcan. Be exciting to see how this rest of the Hobo Olympic Games turns out. We've got one more event, bowling, but we will be revisiting knife throwing as well, so we've still got some more competition to be had. That was an excellent performance there. You really get a sense of camaraderie among the athletes and a good sportsmanship going on between all of the different hobos. That's going to wrap it up for the 4 official events, but we do have to go back and finish up knife throwing to get our official scores. Going into the final round, it looks like Billy and Jessie are tied with Alan and Joe to figure out who's going to be the final round hobo champion.
Hobo Olympics, folks! We got knife throwing today! Knife throwing!
that's it, folks. That was our final round. Now we've got the final scores coming in to figure out who is the official Hobo champion of our first annual Hobo Olympic Games. And it looks like it's going to be Joe and Alan with a total of 9 points. Congratulations, Joe and Alan. You are now the official Hobo Olympic champions and the first ever.
It's a Hobo